Slice cabbage. Shred carrot. Slice onion and mix all vegetables. Now, let's make the shawarma sauce. Mayonnaise, ketchup, sweet chili sauce, mustard. Mix all together. Add lemon juice, then mix all together. Separate tortilla wrap. Spread the sauce on the tortillas, then top with the mixed vegetables and beef. Add sausage. More sauce. And more vegetables. Now roll up. Put wrapped shawarma on a heated pan for a few minutes. Shawarma is ready to be served.